everybody, it's Patricia and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my Ipsy. My Ipsy came last night. It was a little late for the mail, but it came last night. And so this is for January of 2025. I do have an add-on. I did open it up. I haven't opened the actual Ipsy bag up yet. I do know what I got, but I don't remember. But I did open this bag up. I'm gonna set it over here because I got an add-on. So I'm gonna show you that first. I got this Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. I don't know if it has a name. Let's open it up. Bijou Brilliance eyeshadow palette. Okay. When I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, Pat McGrath's palette. I'm going to get that. So it's cute. It's a small one. Oh, they're smaller pans than I thought, but I'm not upset with it. I'll take the little plastic off the mirror there. Here they are. Let's see if I can get it. Is it going to... There we go. You can kind of see. Okay. I'm going to swatch them. Yeah, they have names. Platinum Moonlight. Ooh, very creamy. Platinum Moonlight. Midnight Iris. That one's creamy as well. Oh, what a pretty color. Pale Amethyst. This one's Shimmer. Shimmer Shiny. That one. Noir Nebula. This one's dark. Ooh, these feel really nice. Let me swatch these on my hand. And let me get the last one. Let me just wipe off my fingers here. And the last one is Neptunian Orchid. Ooh, that feels nice. They feel really creamy. Okay, here's the color story. They went on very well and they look really nice. Well, I'm not upset with that. Do I have a wipe over here? I don't. I didn't bring one. Gonna have a mess. I'll have to get it later. I gotta remember not to touch this until I wash my hands. Okay, so here is my Ipsy. Like I said, you know, I picked an item. I know what I got, but I don't remember. But there's a lot of things outside the bag. I do recycle these in my Etsy shop, or if I'm sending packages to friends, you might get an Ipsy bag. This is a nice bag. Does it have a little paper? Looks a little dull, that little thing. I like how this feels. It's plastic feeling, but that looks a little dull to me. Yeah, that looks a little, it's not scuffed, but it looks like it needs cleaned, but it doesn't clean off, if that makes sense. I have two things outside of my bag. Here, let me just go ahead and open it. There should be a card in here. Yeah. Okay. A clean slate. I do like the bag. Okay, here we go. We're going to go with, I'm going to pull everything out. Okay. First, Goldilocks. Let's see if I can, it's awful bright. There we go. Let me put it back on me here. There we go. This luxurious formula is a game changer for thirsty, damaged hair. Blah, 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 blah. So it has rose water, biotin, and marula oil in it. Okay. After applying, cover hair with a shower cap and leave on for 5 minutes. Okay. That's nice. I will use that. definitely. I have no problems with that. I got a multi-chrome eyeliner. I don't remember this. Illuminati. I don't remember seeing that I got this. Maybe I don't think I did see what was going to be in my box. I think I missed that. So yeah, this is all new to me. Now that I think about it, because I would have remembered an eyeliner. Illuminati eyeliner. Doesn't. Let me see. I'm trying to see if it has a name. Don't see a name there. It says it's a shocking blue color. I'm not going to show you what I'm seeing because it won't pick up. It looks very metallic. Let me draw it over here. Ooh. 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 I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh. I'm very pleased with that. It does roll back down, thank goodness, because I really rolled that up. Oh, I forgot to tell you the full size of the conditioner is $56. This liner is full size $21. I like the liner. I'm very pleased with that liner. Nice. Next, I have a Laura Mercier setting spray. Yeah, I didn't know what was in my bag because I was thinking I was going to need another setting spray. I use some setting sprays to dampen my sponge when I do my makeup. I have some that I'll use on my face, but I rarely use a setting spray just for my face unless I'm going somewhere special and I really want it to stay. But yeah, it's a nice. Let's open it up. Let's see. This alcohol and fragrance-free formula locks down your look for up to 16 hours. All right. That's a nice size. That is a really nice size. Ooh, I like that. Okay. This is the travel size, and the travel size sells for $21. Nice. Okay. I like that. Next, I got brushes. See, I didn't know I was getting brushes. This is Camara and Antique. The Virtuous Woman Brush Set Volume 1. This is blending and concealing brush set. Wow, let's open it up. Yeah, I didn't. I must have missed the telling me what was in this because I was thinking, I can't remember. I do know I did pick my item. It is coming up next. Oh, come on. Ooh, these are nice. They're very soft. They have, it looks like wood. I don't know if it's real wood or if it's plastic. These are very nice brushes. These are really nice. This set sells for $39. Wow, I got a killer deal this month. I'm okay. So, I got, these are full sizes. And I'll figure out, I'm going to figure out how much my actual bag was worth this month. And then I got this I picked. It's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Because you know me, and eyeshadow. This is the YC Collection Sela 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Does it have a different, is Sela the color? Maybe. Yeah. Let's see. They're very small pans, but I am a-okay with small pans. Because eyeshadow is so hard for me to use up. There we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I don't think I'm going to swatch this right now because I still got this on my hand. So, this eyeshadow palette is packed with 9 versatile shades that range from rich browns to a mint green matte shade to prismatic pink. I guess that's that one. And sage green shimmers. Okay. Yeah, there are 6 mattes and 2 shimmers in this one. Use a shadow brush or your finger. Well, Thanks for that tip. Full size is $26. I am going to swatch a couple. Let's swatch these shimmers. They are not the same level of the Pat McGrath, but they are not bad at all. Look at there. There is nothing wrong with those shimmers. Nice. Do I need get another? And I'm just going to swatch one of the mattes just to see how this matte feels. I'm going to do with this dark green. To touch it, it feels very silky. It looks very pigmented. I don't know why I put it there. But yeah, these are nice. From swatching. It's really nice. I am not upset with that at all. So let me figure out what we got going on here. See. Let me throw that away. I don't need that. These are full size. So I just need to figure out. Okay. My conditioner is 1 full ounce. Okay, it's 1 full ounce, and the full size is almost 7 ounces. So I would say this is guesstimating around a little over $8 for this. So I'm just gonna say $8 because I'm trying to do it in my head. $8 for that. $21 for that, so we're at $29. $21 for that. So we're at $50. $39 for that. So we're at $89. And $26 for this. So 89, 90. Am I counting right? 90. $115 worth? My bag's worth $115? Is that correct? I don't know. I could be off. Editing me will actually use a calculator and figure out actually how much this is worth, because I'm doing it in my head, and we all know, I mean, my brain doesn't work half the time anyway, but wow. If that's true, and this bag cost me what with tax 16 something, not bad. Not bad at all. So I am extremely pleased with my bag this month. I think this is probably one of the best bags I've ever received. I've never received 3 full-size products before, and then a travel size they actually sell that size, so it's not actually even a sample size, it's an actual travel size. So technically the only sample in my basket, I mean in my bag, was this conditioner. Not bad. And then getting my Pat McGrath on top of that. I am very pleased. So guys, what did you get in your Ipsy this month? Did you have a great bag? I'm beyond pleased with this. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Let me know what you got in your bag. And please, no comments about my math. I know, I'm trying to do math in my head. So, no comments about the math part. But anything else, it's okay. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.